So hello and welcome back to Tanishka Mangla, and today I am going to use a new platform to make a project from White Hat Junior, which is from class 21, and its name is Feed Our Future Well -1. So dash stands for part 1. So now first in all of my previous videos I have used code.org to make all of my projects, but now we are also going to start using, or we have started using Thunkable to make all of our this platform and all of our games and apps which we make in our projects and even in the class projects. So now let me begin with the code. So in Thunkable, all of your design blocks, which are the button, the label, the text input, they all are, and even the sliders, they all are called components. And over here you can also search your components, like if you want to search a slider. So I am going to, okay, so over here we have got a switch over here. So yes. So then I am going to quickly explain that what all things I have used in over here. So in Thunkable, you can't just put like, okay, this is your screen 1, you put all of your things in it. You can't do like that in Thunkable. You have to use columns, and there are 3 columns in Thunkable in this game actually. So this is one column. This no child goes hungry, enter students present here and enter here. These are all in one column. Then this full black where you can see this letters written. It is one whole column. So see, we have one column, 2 column, and over here at the end there you can see this calculate button. That's the 3rd column. So when I actually clicked on it over here, it is actually showing row 1, but it is not a row 1. It is not a row. It's just a column as well. But over here, they have named it row 1. Okay, because the designing was already done, I just changed a little bit of it, like the theme and text color, the black background. So now I am going to quickly tell you that what is this what are labels, what are text inputs in Thunkable, and what I have used in this particular screen. So this is the label, no child goes hungry, enter students present today, that is as well as our label. Then it is enter here. This is a text input. Then over here, this is a label over here, letters. Then the small dot over here, which you can see, this very small white dot. It is a empty label. So in code.org, what empty labels they didn't. If we change the theme or something like that, they would just show blocks for it. That now this is calculation. But in Thunkable, they show a little dot. Then over here in the last column we have calculate. This is a button. So this was a design. Now we are going to go to blocks. Okay. So in Thunkable you have the same, which is so it is control over here. In code.org it was UI control, logic, math, text, list, color, device, objects. Device is a new option in Thunkable. Variables, functions. So over here we have all of the columns which you can so like over here we have column 3 calculate, column 2 screen 1, level 3, row 1, volume present students, level 2, column 1, level 1, etc. Like there are a lot of, you can make many of them, so that's why I have just put etc. at the end. So okay, so then it is so over here where you can see at functions, then your things start at what you want to do. That all of here the things which you have used in the apps, if you click on them, If you click on them, there comes a lot of options for which you can do with them. So if I click on calculate, like I have over here, go to calculate. So it is when calculate click do. So why? Now if I click on row 1, so in row 1 and other things, it is not going to be that the click option, because they are not buttons. Only in buttons the click option is going to come. So it is like that in Thunkable. So when I click on calculate over here, it is when calculate is clicked do. I took this block. Okay, so I have took this block. I'm going to actually write this code once again from over here. So then it is from milk volume. So from where is milk volume over here? It's over here. So I take this. Then it is from milk volume. Set text to label. So in Thunkable, you cannot delete blocks. So like if you click grab on Thunkable over here, the whole block is going to be deleted. So you can't do that. So okay. Then it is we go to the math section. Now here's the math section after logic, and over here we have this random integer, random fraction. Now in mathematics there is rounding off, absolute value, decimal places, low and high concentration, remainder of 64. So all of these are in math only. So this math option has many more options in code.org, but yes. So now we take this small multiplication sign as we so it is that in the White Hat Junior instructions it came to be that it is going to they gave us 250 milliliters. But 250 milliliters they gave us, but they also asked us to convert it into liters and then give the answer in liters only. So that's what I did. If we to convert 250 milliliters into liters, you have to divide it by 1000, and divided it by thousands bring you 0.250. But in decimal value, 0 doesn't do anything. 0 has no value, so that's why I just put 0.25. So multiply by 0.25. So for example, if they put 2 over there, that 2 students are present today. So then it is going to multiply it by 0.25. So that was for it. So now we don't do that 1 multiplied by 1. So I will change this to 0.25. So it is automatically shown 0.25, and now again we can't delete it. So then we go to present students, and then we go to from present students get text. So this label over here means this label's name is present students. So if they have put 5, so from present students get text. So if the text is 2, so 2 multiplied by 0.25. And then we go to the device option and put vibrate. So if you download this app on your phone, then when the answer is going to be shown, it is going to be vibrated. So this was the code. So I'm just going to delete this block once again from over here, and then I go to design. So now I click on over here on the top over here. Okay, search for it. So what I click on preview. So the screen has come, and over here we also get all of these things. So no child goes hungry, enter students present today. I enter, that 44 students are present here, and over here it is liters, and then I click on calculate. So it is that every time we will need 11 liters of milk. It was of milk. So this was it for this project from White Hat Junior, which we did on a new platform named Thinkific. So until I make a new video, bye bye and keep coding.